Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mark, and we're back here for the afternoon call. The market is down a little bit in the AM, not too much, not much volatility today. Closed relatively flat across the board, all indices. In my opinion, it feels a little sluggish. At least today's action doesn't mean that necessarily to put on a short. But again, we're at the readings where we're getting to a little bit of an overbought, a down move here or there, not out of the question. Probably not a bad thing either based on the move we had last week. But overall, things look good. You had to be very selective in the stocks you were playing today, or else I don't think you would have really capitalized fully. Few select biotechs. The IBB was relatively strong across the board. You had BIB up decent. I think you had Jazz, ALXN. Actually, that was not up, but you definitely had a few different plays. And then you had GPro, which had the lockup, which again, the last time that happened, it was the same type of play. It had the lockup and did the same exact thing. So it closed very strong. Looks like it's getting back into that base. And AMBA actually went with that also. The banks were actually surprisingly strong today. I did not think they were going to do much today. But Goldman Sachs, nice recovery. JP Morgan grinding a little higher. Same with WFC, Citigroup. They look good. They look like they're trending a little bit higher. Albeit, you're going to get one day down, one day up. But overall, they look pretty healthy across the board. High beta took a break today for the most part. Netflix, new highs, but Amazon down, Google down, LinkedIn down. Facebook, I think, was strong in the AM, down. Twitter, same type of thing. They took a day off, which again, not out of the ordinary, not that strange. So overall, it's fine. They've had a nice move, a bunch of them, at least some of them that I did mention. Solars still okay. They still look okay. We'll have to see. I think there's a few coming out with earnings later in the week. I think SCTY comes out with earnings later in the week, so we'll have to see how that plays out. Something I'm looking at just as an indication on whether this market's going to stay up here or obviously tend to move in a different direction is look at the bonds. Keep looking at the TLTs, TBTs. Obviously, as the TLTs go down, the market should stay up, and vice versa. If the TBTs go down, the market will probably go back down or back up. And then GLD, new lows again after, reaching, obviously having a nice move. So it's really a non-event, non-tradable at this point in time. But again, they're indications for me to whether we're going to be going up, trending up or trending down. TLTs I'm certainly watching. First line of defense possibly could get to its 200-day moving average around 124-ish. That's what I'm seeing. That's the 100-day, actually. Sorry about that. That's where we're at. So today's sluggish day across the board. Again, few select plays. And I forgot to mention the cyber technologies, which I mentioned this morning. CYBR, FEYE had nice follow-through days and was decent. Another earnings play that acted okay today. VIPS traded it. It was, again, a little tighter than most, stocks because it only probably moved 80 cents the entire day. Stock that split 10 for 1, but closed at all-time highs and looks good across the board. So stay tuned tomorrow. We'll have to see. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more action tomorrow. But again, I don't think we're going to get the crazy 200-point gyrations every single day. It's going to come here and there throughout the week or throughout a month. We just got to be prepared for it. I will talk to you all later. See you in the morning.